Hi guys, this is Eric from Shuttle Computers. You guys got downgraded and Roger's not here today. So I want to talk to you about a feature that we have in some of our 1.3 liter platforms, and this is an external power button that we have. Now the way that this works, or the way that some of our customers are integrating it, is for example, like let's say they go ahead and have an enclosure. They're putting some of our units inside of a kiosk environment where it's an enclosure. It's not readily accessible. They go ahead and integrate, an external power button. Or for instance, let's say you have a monitor in which you go ahead and mount the unit to the back of it. You don't have access to the platform. These are such small form factor PCs that, sometimes it's just ideal to go ahead and have it in the back. And then you just put an external power button in which, you could go ahead and easily access. So this is a feature that we want to show off today. And just pretty much let you guys see, how can we install it. There's more information that we have online that you could see and reference in regards to what kind of power button you could use. Pretty much any two-pin, dew point power button, external power button that you could source. We don't specify that you need to use this. Like I said, we go ahead and have customers that if they vary in length, depending on the integration, they go ahead and source the power button that they need. So we're going to show off this feature, and we'll go from right there. So we have different sets of power buttons that you could go ahead and integrate. In this case, we have a simple, it seems to be a 6-inch, external power button. I will show you how easy it is to go ahead and install this. So we have 4 sets of pins. Now we'll go ahead and give you more information on the link below on which set of pins you need to go ahead and use. We have a pair for the external power button and another pair to clear the CMOS. So it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and pretty much take your 2-pin and you go ahead and install. And that's it. So guys, here's the power button in action. It works just as the front power button on the chassis. So we go ahead and press it and we get activity. We sometimes use this as an option just in case there might be some damage to the unit. We could go ahead and do this as a troubleshooting step, but we'll go ahead and wait up a little bit, let the machine load. Right now it's going to go. And here we are at the BIOS level. Okay.